Hello, you beautiful people. I just wanted to start the year with a little bit of analysis, a little bit of a sit down to say hi, how you been, say thank you for being with us throughout the 2024. 2025 is starting, the markets are pushing, the markets are live already. And today, on a Monday, on the 6th of January, I'm sitting down to do a little bit of analysis for Nasdaq, which we're going to be focusing throughout the first quarter of this year. I very much hope you're going to be finding this insightful. To start the year, we're looking at the economic news calendar, and we're looking at a week that is going to be very hard to navigate because MC is releasing this upcoming Wednesday. FP is getting released on Friday. Mr. Trump is becoming a president-elect and is getting his inauguration on 20th of January. A lot of news drivers, a lot of things that we don't like as traders because it allows the marketplace to get manipulated or manual intervention to happen. It brings a condition that is very hard to navigate in terms of longer term price delivery. Short term, of course, we're going to be able to find trades, we're going to be able to find opportunities. But longer term, finding that longer term vision to really know what the market is looking to do, it's going to be a little bit tiny bit difficult. With that in mind, let's go into Nasdaq itself. Let's take a look at what I'm watching, what my interest points are, and what am I considering for the marketplace overall. For sure, on the daily chart, you should have the all-time highs and the daily liquidity above and below the current marketplace. This possibly is going to be our most recent dealing range, and in this dealing range we're literally looking at an equilibrium that the marketplace is trading at. A little bit of premium is being built in right now, and that is happening quite simply because we had an SMT here at the lows, right? He has failed to bring last week of trading below the low of the 20th of December, pretty much Christmas week's low. And because of that, the market is supposedly pushing to the upside right now, which is early morning for Monday trading, but still it's going higher, and it's going higher into this balanced price range. See how this fair value gap got inverted and another fair value gap got opened up? We're gonna treat this as a balanced price range and as a drawn liquidity for this upcoming week of January 6th to January 10th trading. My interest is 21.776 and 75 to get delivered. All-time high is possibly going to remain in place because overall, looking for bearish prices. I like how the structure got broken below here. I like how the marketplace during Christmas retraced, started crashing lower. I like that, I enjoy that, and I really want to see the marketplace continuously going lower. But right now we have to consider this SMT holding in the marketplace. What a wording, right? Holding the marketplace in place. And up until the point that this weekly low is not taken away from us, we're gonna be watching the marketplace push higher towards that balanced price range. 4-hour chart. Do I have anything that I can work with here? To be fair, not really. I have a very big opening here for the market open on this week trading, right? We're gonna note this. It's an imbalance that the marketplace might retrace. I very much think we won't get a proper entry towards that balanced price range in the marketplace if retraces is up here. And also, is there anything stopping us from going higher? Yes, there is. Let's watch this imbalance and how it delivers the marketplace towards the balanced price range. If it gets inverted, beautiful. I would very much expect the marketplace just to continuously push higher. We're going to be looking at a 150 handles move for the rest of the week towards your prices at least, right? Hourly chart. Let's take a look at last week's trading. First, where Monday. Oh, this is a beautiful delivery actually. Where Monday, the marketplace didn't consolidate but actually crashed lower, which is all right. And consolidation profile kind of started for Tuesday trading right here. And surprise, surprise, Thursday trading marketplace found the low of the week. And after this hourly inversion right here, it just started pushing higher and it's continuously doing it. So for the power of 3 analysis, a very nice standard week, I would say, where Monday started crashing, so we're not expecting a turnaround before Thursday. It's supposed to stay one-sided. Wednesday we had the new year, so no trading on Wednesday. Thursday low of the week, inversion happens, boom, push to the upside. Quite an alright delivery, to be fair. So looking now at the marketplace, I don't have much to work here, so we're gonna go into the 15 minutes chart, and in here I'm seeing things that I like. Equal lows down below. This is going to get tagged at some point. We're just gonna have to figure out when. I think this could be a very nice draw on liquidity after balanced price range holds in the price for us, right? So push to the upside now is expected, and FOMC, maybe it's gonna open up a little bit, a few doors for us, and the marketplace might push lower towards these equal lows from Friday trading resting down below. Otherwise, I'll keep the technical analysis at bay, let's say. I'm gonna be interested to see the balanced price range being delivered. Then sell stops down below is gonna be something that we're gonna have to keep on the chart. Besides that, a few things to mention. This week, which is the kind of first proper week of trading for the 2025, I would very much suggest you guys to keep it slow. Very much suggest you guys to stay away from the excitement of the new year, new me resolutions, you know. Stay away from putting yourself into a situation where you rush into a trade, because power of 3 is starting all over again. Not only we have a new power of 3 for the weekly delivery, we have a new power of 3 for the quarterly delivery, but we also have a power of 3 for the yearly delivery, and we have the new president coming into the office, so we're starting a new 4 years delivery. Also, a lot of power of 3 starting points are being put into a place for this week's trading, so you gotta stay careful. The marketplace is in the range, which is full on expected. The marketplace is not in the range because it wants to be in one. The marketplace is in the range because of the news drivers coming into place this coming month. We have FOMC delivering this week. We have NFP delivering later on Friday. President coming into the office in a 10 days time away from now. A little bit more, 14, right? But it's very, very soon as well. So the marketplace can easily stay range bound right here without a problem up until the point that Mr. Trump comes into office. Can it just shoot higher through the balanced price range into an all-time high? For sure it can. Can it just deliver lower from the balanced price range into that downside, resting down below? Of course it can, but take a look at the weekly chart. We haven't taken much liquidity away from the marketplace for quite a long time, and this is where we're gonna focus our majority of our analysis, because we're still trading in this weekly imbalance. Up until the point this weekly imbalance is not taken away from us, I can't expect delivery towards lower prices certain. Doesn't matter what ES is doing, doesn't matter what YM is doing, delivery towards this double bottom at 17,783, which I'm very keen, which I'm very interested on, is not in play up until the point this weekly imbalance is holding. For lower prices to get delivered, we want to see weekly imbalance being shot through. For daily to start pushing lower, we need to see that being taken. And now up until that point, I'm only interested in higher prices and higher prices delivery on Nasdaq. With this in mind, I very much hope you appreciate me doing this. I very much hope you found this insightful, and if you did, leave a like to the video. Comment down below if you have any questions or anything you would like us to go through. And with this in mind, I'm gonna see you later down the line in the live streams or in the Discord community itself. And I'm thankful for you watching this video. I'm gonna see you next week. Bye bye.